In this lecture, we're going to take a look at Jenkins Master Slave architecture and introduce some important Jenkins terminologies. Jenkins uses a master and slave architecture to manage the distributed builds. The master's job is to handle scheduling build jobs, dispatching builds to the slaves for the actual job execution, monitoring the slaves and recording the build results and presenting the build reports. It's worth mentioning that even in a distributed architecture, a master instance of Jenkins can also execute build jobs directly. A Jenkins slave is a small Java program that listens for requests from the Jenkins master. The job of the slaves is to do as they are told, which is mainly executing build jobs dispatched by the master. It is possible to configure a job to always run on a particular slave machine or a particular type of slave machine. Next, we'll get familiar with some of the key concepts within Jenkins. The first one is job or project. Jenkins seems to use these terms interchangeably. They all refer to runnable tasks that are controlled or monitored by Jenkins. Slave or node. Slaves are computers that are set up to build projects for a master. Jenkins runs a separate program called Slave Agent on slaves. When slaves are registered to a master starts distributing loads to slaves. Node is used to refer to all machines that are part of Jenkins grid, slaves, and master. Next is Executor. Executor is a separate stream of builds to be run on a node in parallel. A node can have one or more executors. A build is a result of one of the projects. A plugin, like plugins on any other system, it is a piece of software that extends the core functionality of the core Jenkins server. That's it for this lecture. I hope you've enjoyed it.